Hey guys, Fast here with another chemistry video. Today we'll be doing percent yield and percent error. Alright, let's go. First, we'll be doing the percent error. So the equation for percent error is actual yield minus theoretical yield divided by theoretical yield times 100. And these little things right here, they mean absolute value, which just means negative signs get ignored. So like the absolute value of negative 3 is 3. And the theoretical yield is the amount of product calculated by a stoichiometry problem. If you don't know how to do that, check out the stoichiometry video. And the actual yield is the amount of product that was actually produced by someone who did the experiment. Whoa! Alright, yeah, let's just do an example. A student does an experiment in which he reacts 5.7 grams of sodium with chlorine. He ends up with 12.6 grams of sodium chloride. The balanced equation is below. Bloop, bloop, bloop. What is the percent error of the student? Using 5.7 grams as the given for a stoichiometry problem, because remember, the theoretical yield is what the stoichiometry problem predicts will theoretically be produced, and I just did the stoic problem. I'm not going to walk you through it because you know how to do stoic. So we do that problem and we get 14.5 grams of NaCl are theoretically produced. That is our theoretical yield. Equation again. Actual yield minus theoretical yield, absolute value, divided by theoretical yield times 100. And now you just plug in what you got, which is the actual yield was 12.6 because that's what the problem said was actually produced, minus the theoretical yield, which is 14.4, divided by theoretical yield times 100. So this is gonna be negative 1.9, but since it's absolute value, just 1.9 over 14.5 times 100. Percent error was 13. That is our percent error. 13 point, what was that, 1? We'll call it 1. 13.1% error. Alright, so that's how you do that. So that was percent error. Now let's do percent yield. Percent yield's equation is just actual yield divided by theoretical yield times 100. So that's it. Let's do an example. Well, let's use the example we did before. Blah 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 blah. What is the percent yield of the student? And if you will recall from the problem before, we got 14.4 grams of NaCl being theoretically produced and 12.6 grams being actually produced. So those are our theoretical and actual yields. So we just plug that in. The actual was 12.6 grams. The theoretical is 14.5 grams times 100. Pretend I have parentheses there. Equals 12.6 divided by 14.5. 86.90% yield, which is a pretty good percent yield. And that is your answer. So that's how you do percent error and percent yield. And side note, percent error plus percent yield should always equal 100% or something went wrong. If they don't add up to 100, something didn't happen right. So let's just make sure we did this right. Percent yield, 86.9% plus 13.10%. Those do, in fact, equal 100, so we're all good. This concludes this episode of Chemical Fast. Do me a favor and share this video with anybody you think you needs help with this subject. Or check out my website, and I'll see you next time.